Okay, to make this edge you will need again 2 pieces of Romanian cord of any length you wish, contrast color, and we will crochet the other edge. So this time you will hold both cords this way. It's going to be easier this way. Insert the hook into the first bump. So we will talk about cords, one that's on the bottom, another one that's on the top, or first, second. So insert the hook into the bottom and then into the bump on the top cord. Grab thread, hold your thread on the back, and pull thread through both bumps, like this. Again, insert the hook into the bump of the bottom cord and then into the bump of the other cord. Grab thread, pull it first through one bump, then another one, and pull it through the stitch of the contrast color. Again, into the bump, into the second bump on the other cord, grab the thread and pull it through both bumps, and then pull it through the stitch. Again, into the bump, into the next bump, grab thread and pull it through both bumps and the stitch. And continue crocheting this way throughout the length of your Romanian cord. Depends how much you choose and how long will be your edge. Always make sure when you crochet and make the edges that Romanian cords will be not just the same length by the when you measure it with the ruler. It's not enough, it's quite not the same, but count the amount of bumps you have on both cords. You have to have exactly the same amount of bumps on both sides, because if you will measure the length, sometimes it will not work. Few millimeters it will stick out on one side, and one will be shorter, and it will look, it's not easy to fix. You want to be really precise when you create something like that, so it's time consuming to count those bumps, but it is necessary if you want your work to look right, because to fix it, if one is shorter, another longer, not easy. You can make one, unravel one cord, but it's not always the case, and it's not always the easy case. So it's better right away to measure it right. So continue this way to crochet all the way to the end, and this is what you will have. On one side you will have a beautiful braid, and on the opposite side it looked like a sewn stitch on a machine, sewing machine. So you can use both of them, they still look pretty, both of them. Here it is.